In this video, I'll show you how to solve this algebra problem. So we've got x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by minus 30x to the power of 4 divided by x plus 5 divided by negative 10x to the power of 7. So from this, you might get it in this form, like where it's just one over the other. But what I think is a lot easier, I think the easiest way to solve this problem would be to first get it out of this sort of form. What I mean by that is change this into x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by minus 30x to the power of 4, and then we'll just do the division symbol, and that'll be x plus 5 divided by minus 10x to the power of 7. And now, once we have this, our second step would be to factor as many things as we can. So first we'll take x squared plus 10x plus 25. Can that be factored? Yes, it can. This will become x plus 5 times x plus 5. Then on the bottom we have minus 30x to the power of 4. That can be simplified. We can make it into anything. So we can do minus 10 times 3 to the x to the power of 4. There's lots of combinations, but for now we can just leave it as negative 30x to the power of 4. And then we'll do divided by x plus 5. That's already simplified. And then minus 10 to the power of 7. That works the same way. So now, what is this basically equal to? What this x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by minus 30x to the power of 4 divided by x plus 5 divided by minus 10 to x to the power of 7, that will be the same thing. That will be the same thing as x squared plus 10x plus 25 divided by minus 30x to the power of 4 multiplied by minus, here, is the same thing as minus 10x to the power of 7 divided by x plus 5. Now remember, whenever we're given a division symbol, what we have to do is we can't directly divide, we just can't directly divide because that would be too complex. So the way you solve this is you take the reciprocal of your second fraction. You take the reciprocal of that, which reciprocal is just, you're just flipping. You're basically just flipping the numerator and the denominator. And then once you flip, so after you flip, that division sign will become multiply. So that is the exact same thing as our original equation. Now that we have this in a multiplying form, what do? We put this equal to x plus 5 times x plus 5. And let's just take this as minus 5 x to the power of, say, 4 times 2 to the power of 2x to the power of 3. And then we can take this as minus 5 x to the power of 4 times 6. Let's take that, for instance. Now this will become minus 5x to the power of 4 times 2x to the power of 3 divided by minus 5x to the power of 4 times 6. Now, when you're solving this, you want to cancel out, plus x times x plus 5. So when you're solving, you always want to cancel as many things out as you can. So by canceling, what I mean is, you take x plus 5, for instance, right here. We have an x plus 5 in the numerator. Do we have an x plus 5 in the denominator? Yes, we do. So that'll be viable to cancel. Next, we have x plus 5 again. That's in our numerator again. Is that in our denominator again? No, it's not, so that'll remain there. Next, minus x to the power of 4. That's in our numerator. Is that in our denominator? Yes, it is. We can go ahead and cancel that. Now, 2x to the power of 3. Is that in our denominator? And that's our numerator? Is that in our denominator? No, it is not, so that'll remain the same. And then all we're left with is x plus 5 times 2x cubed divided by 6. And your final answer, you don't have to completely re-expand your numerator. This is a viable final answer. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and watch out for future videos. Thank you.